I'll be teaching you how to use the Capcut app to make these popular subtitles in this video. My name is Graphic Heart, in case this is your first visit to this channel. It would be greatly appreciated if you could like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's get started right now.
Capcut application, and this is how it will look like. Click on new projects. Alright, so this is a new project. This is import, so click on import caption tool. So I will import it and put it here. So let me add another visuals to it so that the thing can look very good. So let me just add this. Alright, so click on caption here and click, you can select your language here. You can see they have different language, so I'll be doing for English. So click on generate and it will load for a few seconds. Just wait. Alright, the thing has done already. You can see, so this place you can see templates, so you can choose from their templates. You can click on any one of them, so you can use this.
Productivity dealt a severe blow to the empire, further destabilizing an already precarious situation.
Can you see it like that? So you can change it more and more here. You can change it to any template of your choice. This is another one.
Similarly, in India, the Black Death wreaked havoc on densely populated.
You can go to this part of basic to change maybe the text color or anything you would like to change from it. You can see the text color has changed already. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. I remain Graphics Art and see you in the next video.